Hey, my name's Alex. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and replace the O-Cedar spray mop pad. Okay, let's go ahead and replace the mop pad. What you do is you're going to grab this piece, you're going to unvelcro it here. Once that's unvelcro, go ahead and slide this side out first. And then what you do is you're going to push it out until it comes off. You can see. Okay, what we're going to do now is go ahead and replace the mop pad. As you can see, we're going to line it up the same way as the mop. On this side, you're going to see there's a Velcro piece. Go ahead and unvelcro that. We're going to slide it with this pocket from this direction. Once you go ahead and slide it in, now it's on.